EXTEND3D. Part of Atlas Copco Group. Markerless dynamic laser projection, for precise marking of welding spots. Made in Germany. Despite automation, manual jobs are not disappearing these days. Here at the trade show, we would like to show you a solution with which you can also map small batch sizes and high variance while on your hand workplace. A WERKLICHT projector hangs on the welding table. WERKLICHT's camera system enables workers to work with the parts without fixtures. Let me show this with an example. My part or assembly is roughly positioned on the table and our system can capture it via the camera system and adjust the projection to the correct position. Workers can now mount attachments to the part or assembly, mark weld spots or position bolts. Until now, in pre-series or small batch sizes, the welding points had to be measured very laboriously using measuring technology, or mounted using templates or attached using stencils. With our system, you can project these positions onto the part with sub-millimeter precision, eliminating all fixtures and templates. We would also be happy to visit you directly and project onto your parts or assemblies. EXTEND3D. Part of Atlas Copco Group. Simply spot on. You can find more information on our website, extend3d.com.